Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Harry.
And I'm Emma.
Today, we'll learn how to talk about yesterday in real English. Simple and natural.
You'll practice simple past, time words, and follow-up questions.
Let's start. Emma, how are you today?
I'm okay now, but yesterday was messy.
Messy is perfect for practice.
Yes, lots of things happened.
Viewers, today we practice yesterday's stories.
Use time words. Yesterday, yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon.
And last night for the evening.
Okay, ask me, what did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday morning, I overslept.
Great verb, overslept.
And I started the day in panic.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 8:40.
Was that late for you?
Yes, I usually wake up at 7.
What did you do first?
I checked my phone and panicked.
Why did you panic?
I had a meeting at 9:30.
Did you rush?
I rushed so fast.
Tell it in simple past steps.
I rushed to the bathroom. I brushed my teeth quickly. I washed my face fast. I got dressed in 5 minutes.
Nice. Then what?
I grabbed my bag and ran out.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I skipped breakfast.
Great verb, skipped. Did you forget anything?
I forgot my umbrella.
And yesterday it rained, right?
Yes, it rained a lot.
How did you feel?
I felt annoyed and stressed.
Good feeling words, annoyed, stressed.
I walked outside and got wet.
Did you run to the bus?
I ran to the bus stop.
Did you catch the bus?
Barely. I caught it at the last second.
At the last second is a great phrase.
I sat down and tried to breathe.
Did you calm down?
A little, but I still felt nervous.
Nervous is common before meetings.
I arrived at 9:35.
So you were late.
Yes, I was 5 minutes late.
What did you say?
I said, "Sorry, I'm late."
Simple and polite.
The meeting started and I focused.
Did it go well?
Yes, it went okay.
Great. Yesterday morning was intense.
And that was only part 1. What happened yesterday afternoon?
Yesterday afternoon, I went to a café to work.
Did you order something?
I ordered an iced coffee.
And then?
I spilled it on my shirt.
Oh no, how did it happen?
I bumped the table by accident.
Great phrase, by accident.
The cup tipped over.
Did people look at you?
Yes, everyone looked for a second.
How did you feel?
I felt embarrassed.
Embarrassed is key today.
I froze for a second.
Another great verb, froze.
Then I grabbed napkins quickly.
Did you clean it up?
Yes, I cleaned it up.
Did you apologize?
Yes, I apologized to the staff.
Great simple past, apologized.
The barista said, "Don't worry."
What did you do next?
I went to the bathroom and washed the stain.
Did the stain disappear?
No, it stayed.
That's frustrating.
I sat down again, but I felt awkward.
Awkward is another good word.
I tried to focus on work.
Did you finish your work?
I finished some tasks, but not all.
Yesterday was a mix of stress and effort.
Exactly. Then something good happened. Okay, tell me the good part.
A woman came to my table.
What did she say?
She said, "Do you want this?"
What was it?
A stain remover pen.
That's so thoughtful.
She said, "I always carry one."
Did you accept it?
Yes, I said, "Thank you so much."
Great phrase. Thank you so much.
I used it, and the stain got lighter.
How did you feel then?
I felt relieved.
Another key phrase, relieved.
I was touched by her kindness.
Great, I was touched.
It warmed my heart.
Yesterday turned into a good story.
Yes, it changed my mood.
Viewers, this is a great yesterday ending.
Bad start, good ending.
Now let's switch. My yesterday was different.
Good. Tell me your yesterday story.
Yesterday morning, I worked from home.
What did you do exactly?
I answered emails and wrote reports.
Sounds normal.
Yesterday afternoon, I went to the grocery store.
What did you buy?
I bought bread, fruit, and soup.
Nice and simple.
But last night was the interesting part.
What happened last night?
After dinner, I went for a walk.
Where did you go?
I walked near the river.
That sounds peaceful.
Then I ran into an old friend.
Ran into means by accident, right?
Yes, we didn't plan it.
Who was it?
My friend Daniel.
That's natural.
We stopped and talked.
For how long?
We talked for about an hour.
What did you talk about?
We talked about work and family.
Did you talk about the past, too?
Yes, we talked about old memories.
Did it feel good?
It felt really good
Why did it feel good?
because it reminded me of simpler times.
That's sweet.
We laughed a lot.
What made you laugh?
We remembered a funny trip from years ago.
I love hearing trip stories.
Then the talk became deeper.
Deeper how?
He said he felt lonely lately.
Oh, wow. How did you respond?
I listened and said, "I'm here."
That's supportive.
I asked, "Do you want to talk about it?"
Great follow-up question.
He nodded and talked more.
How did you feel?
I felt grateful we met last night.
That's a meaningful yesterday story. Viewers, let's learn the key grammar. Simple past.
Questions use did. Did you go?
Answers, yes, I did, or no, I didn't.
Then use base verb after did. Did you go, not went.
Regular verbs add ed. Work, worked.
Clean, cleaned. Watch, watched.
Irregular verbs change. Go, went.
Wake up, woke up. Have, had.
Eat, ate. Buy, bought.
Don't memorize all today. Copy our sentences.
Practice makes it automatic.
Now we'll drill questions and answers.
Did you go anywhere yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did she meet friends yesterday?
No, she didn't.
What were some fun things you did?
I went to a museum and watched a movie.
What time did you go to bed?
I went to bed around midnight.
Did you have breakfast this morning?
Yes, I did.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had cereal and toast.
Did you work out yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Did you buy anything new yesterday?
Yes, I did.
What did you buy?
I bought a new book.
Harry, what did you do yesterday morning?
I worked from home.
What did you do yesterday afternoon?
I went to the grocery store.
What did you do last night?
I went for a walk.
Who did you meet?
I met Daniel, an old friend,
Where did you meet him?
near the river
Why was it special?
because we hadn't met in years. Now my turn. Emma, what did you do yesterday morning?
I overslept and rushed out.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I didn't. I skipped it.
What happened yesterday afternoon?
I spilled coffee on my shirt.
How did you feel?
I felt embarrassed.
What happened next?
A kind woman helped me.
Great. That's a full yesterday chain.
Viewers, use connectors to sound natural.
Use then, after that, so, but.
Example, I overslept, so I rushed.
Example, I spilled coffee, but someone helped me.
These words make your story flow.
Let's do a role play. I'm curious about your yesterday.
Okay, you ask, I answer.
What did you do yesterday after work?
I stopped by a café and worked for a bit.
What did you order?
I ordered an iced coffee.
Did anything funny happen?
Sadly, yes, I spilled it.
Oh no. Did you panic?
I panicked for a second, then I cleaned it up.
Did anyone help you?
Yes, a woman gave me a stain remover pen.
How did that make you feel?
I felt touched and relieved.
Nice. Your yesterday had a happy ending.
Yes, it did.
What did you do last night after that?
Last night I went home and took a long shower.
That sounds relaxing.
I needed it.
Then what?
I made soup and watched a comfort show.
Comfort show. Great phrase.
I finally felt calm.
Yesterday ended better than it started.
Yes, that's why I'm smiling today. Viewers, here are strong yesterday verbs.
Wake up, oversleep, rush, grab, forget.
Arrive, apologize, spill, clean, wash.
Meet, run into, talk, laugh, realize.
If you use these, you can tell many stories.
Now a 30-second script. Copy it.
Start with time, yesterday morning,
Then actions, I woke up, I went, I met.
then feeling, I felt.
Then ending, in the end.
Let's model it together.
Yesterday morning, I worked from home and answered emails. Yesterday afternoon, I went grocery shopping. Last night, I went for a walk and ran into an old friend. I felt grateful because we talked after years. In the end, my day felt meaningful.
My version has more drama.
Good. Details make stories vivid.
Yesterday morning, I overslept and woke up in panic. I rushed, skipped breakfast, and forgot my umbrella. I arrived late and apologized. Yesterday afternoon, I spilled coffee on my shirt. I felt embarrassed, but I cleaned it up. Then a kind woman helped me, and I felt touched. In the end, yesterday taught me something.
What did it teach you?
Kindness can save a bad day.
That's a powerful ending. Rapid questions. Answer fast.
Okay, let's go.
Did you oversleep yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I didn't.
Did you forget your umbrella?
Yes, I did.
Did it rain yesterday?
Yes, it did.
Were you late?
Yes, I was.
Did you apologize?
Yes, I apologized.
Did you spill coffee?
Yes, I spilled it.
Did you feel embarrassed?
Yes, I felt embarrassed.
Did someone help you?
Yes, someone helped me.
Did you feel relieved?
Yes, I felt relieved.
Did you feel touched?
Yes, I did. My turn. Harry, did you go for a walk last night?
Yes, I did.
Did you run into an old friend?
Yes, I ran into Daniel.
Did you talk for a long time?
Yes, we talked for an hour.
Did you laugh?
Yes, we laughed a lot.
Did you feel grateful?
Yes, I felt grateful.
Did yesterday teach you something?
Yes, small moments can change everything. And that's it for today's lesson. How to talk about yesterday in simple, real English.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us.
If you stayed until the end, you're seriously doing great.
Remember, speaking gets better with practice, not perfection.
Before you go, let's do a quick 10-second homework challenge.
Comment one short story using this template. Yesterday,
And add one feeling. I felt blank.
If you want to level up, add the ending. In the end, blank.
We'll reply and help you make it sound more natural.
Also, save this video and replay it while you cook, walk, or commute. Listening again is one of the fastest ways to improve.
If today's lesson helped you, please hit like. It really supports the channel.
And subscribe to TalkHarry for more real-life English conversations.
Thanks again for being here with us today.
See you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye, everyone!